My first visit to 85 Bakery Cafe in Overland Park. Beautiful concept, beautiful interior, and with music in the background, but for copyright reasons, I turned it off. Bakery Cafe, looks like that. It comes in this big box. This unfortunately came 400 miles away. I brought it back because I wanted my daughter and her mom, who really love sweets, to try it. They're not available to be on camera today, but I will open this up and show you guys what we got. Comes in this cool box. I got an assorted of stuff. I believe this is a sweet butter wreath. This is the mango brulee, I believe. Taiwanese businessman wanted to make gourmet pastries more available. So this is what he came up with back in 2004. Some say this is the Asian Starbucks. There's over 1,000 stores within 4 or 3 countries. This is the Black Forest. Come back to this later. Mango and custard, I can't remember. Check this out. Sorry for the lighting. This one's kind of, again, this just traveled 300 to 400 miles. This is their cake. There's 2 of them in this packaging. Of course, it's been kind of beat up. You can see that, pretty beautiful. And this is what I was most intrigued about. I believe this is called the ube bread. I hope, we'll find out. Looks like that. All really beautiful packaging, made in-house. There's something inside. We'll have to cut it and show you guys. Should I put it on the ground? The name of the concept is 85 Degree Bakery. And I thought it was the temperature of the yeast or cooking the pastries, but it's actually the temperature of a perfect coffee or a cappuccino, apparently, which is 185 degrees Fahrenheit in the US or 85 degrees Celsius. Look at that. It's got this nutty taste to this one. Nice and soft, that looks delicious. This has to be the Black Forest. Sweet butter wreath, maybe? I don't know. Unfortunately, these traveled 400 miles to get here, and try to consume this as fast as we can, but oh, look at that. Beautiful. 2 weeks, I had to put it in the fridge. How beautiful that is. Oh. Whoa. Delicious. The fillings are, it's hard to explain. Keep in mind that the concept isn't just for sweets and pastries, it's also savory. So it's got an Asian influence to it. It's delicious.